Hello dear my friends, welcome again to Pro Expert channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remove and unsubscribe from unwanted websites. I'm sure that most of you don't want unwanted emails come from promotion or from advertisement or from other websites. So to remove and unsubscribe from this website, so I'm gonna show you in this video. So if you are facing with this problem, there are many mails coming from different unwanted websites, then follow me and watch this video till end. Okay, there are two methods. I'll do both of them, but first I want to show the first method. Navigate and find the search mail bar and type unsubscribe and enter. Look, here are all the unwanted websites don't want in the future to face again and to find these mails fault your mailbox, so they are useless. You don't want them. So how to remove them? First you can select from here and then you can remove from here. But inside these mails there are some mails that you don't want to unsubscribe. Example, I don't want unsubscribe from VIDIQ. So type here, go to here, navigate filter and then type here VIDIQ. Okay, then sorry, not here, this one. Type here, doesn't have, type VIDIQ, then search. Look, that mail is not content in these mails. Look. So and also example, I don't want to remove the chase.com. Same process, we go to here and type here, put comma and type chase.com. also should not be included. Look, it is removed. Now you can select this one and then remove. So now they are removed, but they are not unsubscribed from mentioned websites. So what we do, if we want to remove them, if we want to unsubscribe them, then we have another method. So first navigate here, click on your Google account, manage your Google account, then another page will be appear here. Then navigate security, click on security, then scroll down, then find your connection to third-party apps and services. So when you find this one, then see all connections. Now look, these are the websites that most of the time the promotions and the advertisements come from. So if you want to unsubscribe or delete them, then click this one and then click delete all connection you have with X. Click here, then confirm. Now it's removed. You will not receive any email from this website, from this application. The same if you want with like story blocks, click, then scroll down, delete, confirm. The same process. Now look, you're no longer connected to story box. So this is the method that we can unsubscribe. But sometimes when you click all mailbox or when you click on spam, there are many promotions or advertisements which come from some unknown websites. They are not removed. Then you can delete all spam message, click here, or if you do not receive any more mail, then click on one of them. Example, Microsoft Copilot. I click here, Then sometimes the unsubscribe button appears here, but sometimes when you scroll down you can see the small button here. Then you click, wait for a few minutes to open the mentioned website, then click unsubscribe. So now you are unsubscribed from this one, and remove it from here. Let me show you. Delete forever, and also you can select all from here and remove them in the same time. Click all of them, because this is very important to clean your spam all the time, because it empties your inbox, it occupies most of the space on your Gmail. So these were the methods how to remove the unwanted mails, and also how to unsubscribe from third-party application and unwanted website. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel.